All right, keep going with our check and review. A week from today is when you will take the reading check-in, and then math will be next Tuesday. So what we're going to work with today specifically is finding equations. It's going to be equations from like sentences, so like a paragraph or something like that, or from a table. So when you're trying to find an equation from what it tells you, you just have to take the words they give you and figure out what type of math is being done each time. So this problem here says a phone plan costs $19.99 each month and 6 cents per minute of use. What equation shows the cost C for m minutes of use? So your cost is what you're looking for. That's your total cost. So that means this equation would be, starting off, C equals, because we're trying to calculate the cost. In the past, I've said, if we see each, every, or per, that means we're multiplying. The problem with this one is we've got both of those words, and only one of them is going to be multiplied. What's our other variable? M what? Minutes. So since we got m minutes, which one do you think that's being multiplied by? The $19.99 or the 6 cents? The 6 cents, because they are per minute. So that means the minute goes with that. So we got our 0.06 m, and then the cost per month, or for each month, is just something that's added on. Okay? Any questions on how we got that equation? A lot of times it will just have the one that has an each, every, or per with it. In this case, it happened to have two. The way we tell which one to use is by looking at the next word and what the word for the variable is. Okay? The other type you could see would be like graphs or tables. Either way, they're calculated the same exact way. All right? You do y divided by x. It doesn't matter which y value you use. You just got to make sure use the x value that goes with that y value. For the most part, I would say, just use the first one. But using a calculator, it does not matter. So in this case, with that first one, we got 41.5 divided by 5. The majority of the time, these will be calculator active problems. So you can go ahead and use the calculator to figure it out. When we divide, you would get 8.3 in this case. If you happen to have a graph instead, it's the same thing. You just have to take one of the points, remember, and get the y value and the x value that go with it. And you're doing the same thing, y divided by x. So when it's looking for the equation then, all your equation does, it goes y equals whatever you got when you did that division becomes your coefficient. So we would have y equals 8.3x as our equation. Could those be different variables? Yeah. If they're different variables, remember the y is on the right, x is on the left. So you're taking the right number and dividing by the left number. Any questions on that?